Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming clip type and securing the area. This saves time and prevents damage. Use painter's tape along the panel edge, then position a flat trim tool under the clip head. Apply steady leverage while prying outward. Slow, even force releases the retaining lip without ripping the panel. Once the head lifts, hold the clip stem to prevent spring back. If the clip is threaded, back out the screw a couple turns first. Make sure to keep parts organized for reinstallation. Now you tackle stubborn or damaged clips with targeted methods. Grip the head with panel clip pliers, squeeze to expand the grab and pull straight out to avoid bending the panel. For broken stems, carefully drill a small pilot into the center and extract the remnant with a pick or small screw. This reduces tearing. Once done, inspect the hole for deformation. If access is tight, use an angled pick plus a mirror so you can see the retaining lip, and work deliberately to avoid. Finish by cleaning debris from clip holes and swapping any damaged fasteners for the correct replacements. Matching type and diameter ensures retention. Reinstall the panel by aligning fastener holes, then press each clip squarely until it seats flush. Use even pressure to prevent distortion. Once done, check panel gaps and verify function. If a clip refuses to seat, stop, back it out, realign the panel, and confirm orientation. Forcing a misaligned clip risks breaking the new fastener or the panel itself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.